Did you know that Doritos are flammable? And you should not eat flammable food. So the next time you're going to start a barbecue and you don't have any lighter fluid, you can use Doritos to light your charcoal. Let me show you. See how that flame is getting bigger and bigger? You should not eat flammable food. At least not your damn chips. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new today, please remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. Turn on your bell so you will be notified of new uploads. So until the next video, this is Red Boy TV. I'm out. You could burn Doritos like candles.